Do the next part, shaft. Right plane sketch. First we will create a circle and keep the diameter 10 mm and extrude it, and extrude up to 200 mm long. Okay. Choose chamfer at both the end. So select both the end, 1 mm 45 degree. Okay, that's it. Now again choose right plane sketch, and here draw a bigger circle, like let's say 14 mm. Select extruded boss, only 10 mm. Select here offset 70 mm. Now let's see, 70 mm from right plane. Okay, see. Now let's give the material to the shaft. Metal and let's say copper, polished copper. Save. Part number 9, shaft. The next part here, engine valve. So right plane sketch line and start from origin point. Draw a line downward direction. Connect. Exit. Overall length 80 mm. 11 mm. 3 mm. 2.5 mm. 3 mm. 5 mm. 1 mm. Now two 2.5. Okay. Now let's revolve this body. Select this outer line or mid line. Okay. Now fillet 6 mm and select this inside edge. Okay. Let's do the chamfer. Distance 1/2. Select clear. Select this outer edge only. Oh, okay. Now it's time to chamfer 1.5. Select the top face sketch. Now it's time to define some material. So let's define some solid material. So it's easy to distinguish while it's operating. Save. Part number 10, valve. Now let's do the next part, valve retainer, spring retainer. The next part here is valve spring retainer. Right plane sketch. Select line. exit, center line, and draw one vertical center line, exit. Select this line, make relation, select this line, vertical relation, make first one more relation, select origin point and this line, horizontal, 5 mm, 3 mm, and the bottom line 2 mm, and let's keep the gap 1.5 mm. Select revolve boss base. Okay. See, let's say steel, polished steel, and okay, keep polished steel. Save part number 11, valve spring retainer. Save. Now here the next part is retainer. Right plane sketch, center line, draw vertical center line, that's it, line, and start from here, connect, exit. Now this is the our one geometry. We will make some relation. Make these 2 points horizontal. Five mm, 12.5 mm. Start from bottom line. One 1.5 mm, 3.5 mm, 4.5 mm, 4 mm. This 6.5 and it is 4 mm. Now two mm, again select and vertical also 2 mm. One mm and this keep 2 mm. Okay. Now select these two lines, make relation parallel. Okay. Now see here. This mid 1 mm. Okay. Now this distance also we defined. Okay. Now select here fully defined sketch, calculate. Okay. I think everything we defined, nothing is balanced here. Cancel. Select here revolve boss base. Center line selected. Okay. And for the retainer, choose here iron, matte iron. Sand blasted iron. See, save. Retainer. Let's see the next part. Here the next part is camshaft. Select right plane, sketch and define a circle. Let's say the diameter is 20 mm. Okay. Select extruded boss. Here first dimension select 75. Select reverse direction. Direction 2, 125 mm. Okay. Now this is our dimensions. Now select right plane, sketch, normal, and here we will make some geometry. Diameter 24 mm. Connect these 2 points. Again choose circle and draw a circle. Let's keep the diameter 10 mm. Okay. Now here select 3-point arc. Okay. Again select from this point to this arc, exit. Now here we want to trim some unnecessary part, so choose here power trim, just press and drag. See, okay. Now let's prepare some relations. Tangent, tangent, make again undo. First define this radius 16 mm, (40 mm), and this one 10 mm already defined. Okay. Now let's try to make 10 tangent. Okay, and here also let's make tangent and select the last one, tangent. Okay. Now choose smart dimension, select both the end point, see, and select this arc. (12.5). Okay, this is our exact geometry. Select extruded boss and keep here 15 and end condition mid plane, but we want to shift it, so select here offset 15 mm from this direction, see, and make sure this unmerged result, we want to mirror this, so make sure unmerged result. Okay, see, now let's try to mirror. Select right plane, mirror, select this body, Okay. Now go to feature and here select one option, move and copy. Select this body. Select translate and rotate. We want to rotate this body, so select rotation. Select here temporary axis. Select this axis 90°. We selected the rod center axis and see we want to rotate it up to 90°. Select here copy. No need copy. Okay. See, it's rotate. Now hide this shaft. See. Now top plane and create one plane just above the top plane 10 mm. Okay. Now select this top plane 1, sketch normal. First draw a midpoint. Then select here center point straight slot. Exit. Now let's define. Select both the end point of slot 20 mm and the distance from outer edge 8 mm and keep the radius 4 mm. Okay. Select extruded cut and cut up to, keep the depth 4 mm. Okay. Now see. Now hide this plane. Now this is our camshaft. Let's define some material. Polished steel. Save. This is part number 13, cam shaft. Save. The next part here is rocker arm. So select front right plane, sketch, select circle, draw 2 circles, one more circle, exit. Select these 2 circle equal, center line, connect these 2 lines, again draw one line and connect with this circle, horizontal. Let's define. The gap is 40 mm, 25 mm. 18 mm, 10 mm, 10.9 mm, make it 11 mm, and this distance 8 mm. Okay, now choose here 3-point arc. Select this circle to this circle and again choose this circle to this circle And the third one, again select these two circles, exit. Select these two lines, tangent. Here also tangent, and select this end, tangent. Let's define. Keep radius 30, 20 mm. Okay, it's by default. Now select this circle and arc, tangent relation. Choose here also same tangent relation, and this end also same tangent relation. Okay, see, our geometry is fully defined. So select extruded boss. Now this time we will extrude only these two circles. Keep here mid plane, 8 mm. Okay, see, now again choose the sketch, extruded, this face and this face, mid plane, only 5 mm. Make sure merge result. Okay, sketch 1, extrude, select mid circle, end condition always mid plane, and 20 mm the length. Okay, see here, fillet, F2, select this edges in both face, both side, 2 mm. Okay, see here, now create one plane, top plane, plane, 5 mm and flip reverse direction. Okay, now select this plane, sketch normal, and here draw a circle and keep the diameter 10 mm and distance from origin point 25 mm. Okay, select origin point and circle center point vertical. Okay, now select extruded boss, keep only 6 mm. See here, an angle 10 degree. Okay, now hide this plane, fillet, 0.5 mm and select this face, delete this edge. Okay, now it's time to define the material to rocker arm. Select the full body, and we will define cast stainless steel, and let's make some color to it. this is quite better. Okay, now save. Engine, just find out engine where, and this is our part number 14, rocker arm. Now we will start the sub assembly of engine, some parts, piston. Here let's do the sub assembly of valve. Select here new assembly. Okay, this is the SolidWorks assembly window. Let's browse. First choose valve, open. Now browse the another component. Choose here valve and retainer. This is retainer, this is valve. Met, select this and this hole. Concentric relation, okay. Select this face and this face. Coincident, okay. Select this face and this face. Concentric relation, okay. It's fixed, no need to move any. So this is our valve assembly, valve sub assembly. Now save. Valve sub assembly, save. Let's do the further assembly.